black skin, the sun plays with your melanin. You shine in the dark. There's light at the end of your laughter. Your touch makes me tingle. There's a tender truth at the tips of your fingers. Your lips only tell the truth. Water my mind with your wisdom. Your head lives in the clouds. You cloud my carefully crafted caves with thoughts of mystical creatures. He is a spiritual experience. His heart is a field of sunflowers, flawed but flowered. He knows he is soul and food. He is wholly on his own, aligned inside a man, conscious to the counterfeit, crystals coming through the chromosomes, cooking foods I crave, hot sauce on a meal. He is flavor and spice, and Stephen's heart.